Saying number 38. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said to his son Hassan. O my son, learn 4 things and, further, 4 things from me. Nothing will harm you if you practice them. That the richest of riches is intelligence, the biggest destitution is foolishness, the wildest wildness is vanity, and the best achievement is goodness of the moral character. O my son, you should avoid making friends with a fool because he may intend to benefit you but may harm you. You should avoid making friends with a miser because he will run away from you when you need him most. You should avoid making friends with a sinful person because he will sell you for naught. And you should avoid making friends with a liar because he is like a mirage, making you feel far things near and near things far.